If you want to cancel your ChatGPT subscription, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. Whether you're switching plans, taking a break, or just no longer need the subscription, I'll show you how to find the right settings and cancel it safely. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account that has the active subscription. Once you're on the main ChatGPT page, look to the bottom left and click on your profile or account icon. This opens your user menu and gives you access to the settings area. From there, click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, look for the Account section and click on it. This is where ChatGPT keeps all of your subscription and billing options. Now, in the Account area, you'll see a Manage option. Click on Manage to open the subscription management page. Depending on your plan and account setup, this may take you to a billing portal where your membership details are stored. On that page, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click it, then follow any confirmation steps that appear. You may be asked to verify your choice or confirm that you really want to end the plan. Make sure to read those prompts carefully before proceeding. Once you confirm, your ChatGPT subscription will be canceled according to the terms shown on the screen. In some cases, your access may continue until the end of your current billing period, so it's always a good idea to check the final confirmation message for details. If you ever want to come back later, you can resubscribe anytime through the same account. And that's it. You've now canceled your ChatGPT subscription in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.